Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you real quick the mistakes that happen when you don't prepare your vehicle to get yourself a good paint job. Let's begin. The first mistake, when you don't remove pieces from the vehicle, this is what happens. Everything underneath stays that color, which is not professional. Another thing, number two, when you don't tape up real well or don't remove it, this is what starts happening. The paint starts peeling from those areas. You can see it right there. If you can remove it, just remove it. Third mistake, when you don't use adhesion promoter on plastic, that is what happens. It starts peeling. I can peel it with my nail. And right there you can see they didn't remove it, and this is starting to peel also. Fourth, when you're painting chrome, you also need to use adhesion promoter and sand it down. This doesn't seem that it's sanded, they just painted it on top of it, which that's gonna occur. Number five, this is a result of not preparing it correctly. Okay, so we don't know what they did. Maybe they didn't use the right sealer, maybe they didn't add primer, but this is what happens when it's not prepared correctly or using cheap materials. Another thing, on these windows, if you don't want to remove them, which I'm not going to remove this, I am going to tape it up, but if you don't tape it up right or correctly, this is what happens. I'm going to show you when I start taping everything up. I'm going to show you how you do it in order for you not to get this type of mistake. Let me just show you around the truck so that you can see it. So this is it. This is the truck that's gonna get that pearl paint job. Let's make this truck look nice. And this is it. This is a quick video on the mistakes that painters do and when you're trying to take shortcuts. But we don't do that here in Faraway, so we're gonna make this truck shine. And this is it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you now know what you need to do in order to paint a vehicle by removing everything that needs to be removed. Thank you guys. I'll see you this coming Wednesday for another unboxing video and for the start of this pickup truck. Thank you, and like always, God bless.